Dear Elite staff, I want to show you how to use the Excel Proforma Invoice to quote for any job. You'll go to Excel, start your Excel software like that, and you'll open wherever you have saved your Excel Proforma Invoice, like here. You open your Proforma Invoice like this. Now something very technical a little is what I wanted to show you is that when you open this, you have already quoted maybe in one of these Proformas. You need to duplicate this sheet of Excel by right click down here on the sheet name and say move or copy. Click move to end, click create a copy and say OK. Now this Proforma, which is already there, will be duplicated. Now what you only need to change just a few things, like the date. You can press Ctrl and semicolon to put current date. You come here, you change this number. This number has been specified as EPS, which means Elite Print Service. PR it stands for Proforma. 20 is the year 2020. October the year, the month in which we are. So which means when we go to November, we shall have to change this to 11. Then in that month of October or November, what number? This Proforma is number what? So this could change to number 2. That's how I do it. So the project could be soybean labels, could be vehicle branding, and normally when big companies send you a request for quotation, they'll give you a reference number, so you can always keep it here, like one whatever they have given you. So now you go down here and change to put in whatever you are quoting for. Client here, we could put here, the client here is MTN PO box, let's say that Kampala Uganda. You can put the telephone over here of that company, and then you move down. So you can say one and you say Momo Nyavo posters, they say A2 130 GSM full color, and you say quantity, then you could say 300 shillings. This can change automatically, but what about when we go to say Momo flyers? Okay, on A5 capital A5 at paper 115 GSM full color. So, and you need 50,000 of them at 90 shillings each. So could you I don't want you to waste time. Can you select this and copy? Come select these two and press enter. This will copy the formula which is here. If you can see up here, it will copy the formula and it will only multiply this and this, and it will give you the correct calculations. Now when you come down here, you can see this is a total, which total is based on a formula of summation of all of these cells. You see here, that is a summation. This formula here is equals sum of that, and VAT is also already calculated accordingly. It's just a calculation of the above cell. You can see the formula equals that times 0.18, and the grand total is a summation of these two. So don't forget to change. Validity rarely changes. Any quotation will be valid for 30 days. Delivery, you can promise I'll deliver this in 2 days. Terms of payment, you can say cash on delivery. You can say 30 net, that you are giving them credit for 30 days, and so on and so forth. So after which, something very technical, not quite so technical, but what I want us to see is how will you send this to the client. If your computer is well configured, I would advise you select. But even if you don't select, there are two ways. There are so many ways. You can print a PDF, but there's, in my computer here, I have something save as PDF. But even if you didn't do that, you can go to save as, and you browse where you're going to save your document, like Proforma export, and you say sent to customers, definitely, and you come here and you say I want to save a PDF. But some computers, if you don't have Adobe Acrobat Professional installed on your computer, you may not have that option, but I know you will not fail to go about that. But make sure you send a PDF quotation. Do not send an Excel quotation to a customer. And you will export. I expect it to open when it's done, but I'm not seeing it opening. So we could go there, our source. I know where it is, in Allied and Corporate. I have here Proforma export sent. I have it here. So this is a PDF. So you see, I can send this. It already has the signature of the big man, and the job will be done. The digital error requires us to go this way. Thank you.